So this is Rang Rag, all happening at the Bohemian Gallery. You can check out તમારે jewelry ની અંદર options જોતા હોય. If you want something unique in Navratri collection, something like that, or you want court set, ethnic wear for your Raksha Bandhan, then do visit the Bohemian Gallery for 2 days, today and tomorrow. Rang Rag is happening, all curated by Vinita Patel. Details के लिए do read the caption.
So we are from brand Satrang and we have a lot of varieties for the festive wear. One is double layered chanyas and you have several color options in that. We have single layer chanyas. Then we have long blouses like this in gaji and in tissue as well. We have brocade corsets. We also have silver and golden corset. We have brocade sleeveless blouse. We have embroidered sleeves and sleeveless blouses. We have more options and more colors in the tissue. Then we have twinning option for the guys and girls.
Wow.
So we are covering guys as well and we have several other options for the guys. All of these are handwork. And we also have the blouse materials. We have card, we have hand embroidery.
So this is brand Teja. You can check out this kind of mirror work corset with them. So the different cuts.
We have every color you need. Plus the mirror work is done in ombre style, which is the new color.
And they are also running offer of flat 10% off on selected items on this Raksha Bandhan.
So we have these kind of looks, something with Navratris, I'll show you first. We have these kind of signature blouses in Gaudi, in different color combinations, something which I am wearing, we have something which she is wearing, with work also we have, and our signature tassels you can't miss. Besides this, we have something with Indo-Westerns. See, some drape skirts, plazos, and even for the festives for Rakhi, you can opt. We have color combinations. We have in a crochet and much more in this. We have in a prints, tops, everything. So do visit us.
Brand Basket of Happiness, and we create all the types of hampers. We have Rakhi hampers, envelopes, covers, poties. We have something new with this. On German silver, envelopes, birthday, we have candles.
They're all the pretty cute stuff. You can check out her.
If you have a small sister, you can gift her something like this.
Yes.
Very trendy.
If you want something in coin pound.
Wine pouch. For wedding gift, written favors. For housewarming. Again, for the housewarming, we have this. For bakers, we have specially this.
So this is brand Sutraved. You can check out તમારે hand painted દુપટ્ટા જોતા હોય with this kind of marodi work on the blouse. તો એ તમને મળી જવાનું છે. They also have fusion of Sibori with this kind of kalamkari hand painted dupatta. You can also check out the fusion of bandhani and hand painted dupatta. So they have got all the fusion collection. અગર તમારે કંઈક આવું જોતું હોય for the upcoming festivals, તો એના options બી મળી જવાના છે. They also do have this kind of very minimal bandhani dupatta and plain chania.
These are all dress material, dress pieces, linen.
Yes. With
This is
dupatta.
baluchari weave. Yes. 2 pieces. This is tissue. This is inbuilt zari tissue.
You can also check out their options of saris, some tissue, jamdani, linen, or you want kantha dupatta, તો એ તમને અહીંયા મળી જવાનું છે. They also have blouse pieces. They have ready-made blouse as well, and they have kalamkari blouse pieces as well. And this is brand Kalavruti. You can check out their polka dot chaniya choli set. એની અંદર તમને with different prints બી મળી જવાના છે. If you want something like in floral print, then options મળી જવાના છે. If you want cotton chaniya with this kind of work blouse, then options મળી જવાના છે. And this is something unique. હોલ્ટર નેક સાથે તમારે કોલરનો ઓપ્શન મળી જવાનો છે એન્ડ દે હેવ પ્રીટી મચ કલેક્શન. સમથિંગ ઇન પ્રિન્ટ્સ ઇફ યુ વોન્ટ તો એ તમને મળી જવાનું છે. દે ઓલ્સો હેવ collection of this kind of kalis and they do have collection of this kind of blouses and our blouses છે left over material માંથી બનાવેલા છે. You can check out their designer blouses with very nice finishing, something in brocade as well and something in color block if you want. And this is their masterpiece. You can check out, perfect for Navratri. And yes, they also do have many options in chania. Then they have this kind of dupatta. Each dupatta is handcrafted. You can check out this.
Hi, so this is PB Jewels by Bansrisha. So today we have German silver long belt necklaces as well as beads walapan necklace here. And we do have thread necklaces. This kind of hasis. We do have some delicate German silver chokers, some fusion necklaces, some slick chokers, then for the ghungru lovers. This is the best gifting options in Raksha Bandhan. Bracelets. These are the earrings as well as you can gifting purpose. These are the Monzonite collection. This is our Ahmedabadi Pachi Bandhan long necklaces, and these are also the very good gifting options. And these are the statement earrings.
So nice. You can
And these
also
are
check
the
out.
buttons. Also, you can see this kind of big necklaces with fusion ones.
So this is brand Twinkle Creation. You can check out. તમારે heavy flare સાથે with unique blouse જોતું હોય તો અહીંયા કલેક્શન મળી જવાનું છે. એક્સક્લુઝિવ નવરાત્રી કલેક્શન. You can check out the color blocking she has given and the work is amazing. If you want something with shrug in 3-piece suits, this kind of Kedia shrugs and color blocking in chania તો એ બી તમને મળી જવાનું છે. And something in sleeveless blouse with this kind of corset blouse style. So this is brand Dhaga. You can check out this collection. 3-piece suit set મળી જવાનું છે with this kind of heavy dupatta. If you want something this kind તો એ બી તમને મળી જવાનું છે. And you can also check out this kind of dress material. This is all handwork. If you want something in tussar and this bandhani kind of dupatta તો એ બી મળી જવાનું છે. If you want individual kalamkari hand painted dupatta that too with vegetable dye તો એ બી તમને અહીંયા મળી જવાનું.
Hi, my brand name is Bandej Bag by Aware. I have exclusive collection of Bandej. These are the Bandej collections, sari collections. We have different types of saris.
Yes. So you will have bandhani with
Yes.
patni, ghaji.
Yes, in Galji and Georgette also we have something like
They
festival.
also have dupattas in bandhani. And they do have options of ghachoda.
Yes, I
In each
have
colour?
this Lucknowi Bandej also. And I have some dupattas collections also. Thank you.
So this is brand Sakhi Studio. You can check out their collection. તમારે કંઈક ફ્લોર ટચ જોતું હોય with જરદોશી વર્ક તો એ તમને મળી જવાનું છે. If you want something in spaghetti with 3-piece suit set તો એ તમને મળી જવાનું છે. You can also check out this kind of work and this kind of anarkali. They also do have saris and this kind of detailed blouse. So designer blouses જોતા હોય with this kind of saris તો એ તમને અહીંયા મળી જવાના છે. You can also check out their other collection. So this is brand Bobby Sukha. You can check out this kind of Kamti and Bandhani fusion patha. So they have pretty Navratri collection. You can check out this. Something in monochrome. So nice. They also have this kind of Indo-Westerns, something with shrug.
The brand is App Store. We have something in festive kurtas. We have Navratri wear kurtas, Badla kurtas, something for Raksha Bandhan and Diwali, party wear dresses, gown dresses, This is something in printed. Chaniya cholis. Shaded chaniya cholis. Oh, sorry. This is printed chaniya cholis.